Alright, welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is how it comes, right? If you order it right now, I believe it takes about 2 weeks to get it shipped to your house. I got this with T-Mobile. It was $12.99. Trading in my iPhone 8, I get $415 off. And after taxes and everything, it's about 22 bucks a month to have the phone. Let's open it up and let's take a look at what it looks like inside. One thing you're going to notice about this compared to the older iPhones is the style of box. Normally you have that thicker box. This one right here is going to be a lot thinner, so it's something that I'm not used to, and I've had a couple iPhones myself. Let's open this up completely and see how it looks. Nice. So when you open it up, you'll see on the inside of the box they have this space right here that goes in a little bit. That's for the camera. It has a nice camera on the back as well. The color that we got was silver, but if you look, it actually looks like it almost looks like a white phone. So it looks super white. You got this covered in the front, and then you can see right here it's showing you got the power button on the right, volume down, volume left. And then you have the ringer on, ringer off toggle switch. Of course, your charger is going to be at the bottom. So let's peel this off. Nice. So this is how it looks. Very cool. Inside the box, what you're going to get, I'll put this down. Inside the box, pretty much just getting these two things. Let me see. This is a little pin so that you can take out your SIM card. This right here is going to be your charger so that you can charge it. There is no charging block this year. You have to go and buy that separately, and I guess their excuse was, you know, they don't want people to throw away the extra blocks they get. But you have your old block, you can still use it. It just won't charge as fast as the newer block does. So now let's turn this phone on and see what it looks like for the startup screen. So now it's turning on. I'll put this on top of here. So for right now, I won't transfer it. And then let's see. Set up later. Terms and conditions. Continue. Message and FaceTime. Siri, all these things you have to set up later on. Yeah. You can even hold the power button to have Siri come up, since there is no dedicated home button on the front of the screen. Weekly report with insights about your screen time, app analytics, True Tone display, continue appearance. You can choose if you want light or dark screen, display zoom, so you can have things even more zoomed in for you. And welcome to iPhone. And then once we fully set it up later on, we'll make another video to show you, but I at least want to see if I can bring you into the main screen so you can see the application, see how it looks. I'll try to bring it a little closer to the camera lens so you can see. And swipe up to get started. Perfect. So this is how it looks right here. Wow, it looks nice. It's not too different from the iPhone 11 or my wife's XX. Which one do you have, babe? 10X Pro. But yeah, very cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.